Hi guys, it's Flo and today I'm here with another makeup tutorial using this palette this time. This is Persona Color Theory palette in copper. This is a complete palette with this copper theme and I think it's really pretty, very pigmented. Here are some swatches and this copper is absolutely gorgeous and I had to use it. The kit comes with the eye pencil and also a blending brush. This palette is really cute and I had to use it and show you how we can create this look. To start off, I'm using light brown that I'm building on all over the lid. I like to apply this type of shade because it gives a nice transition, gives more definition. It's easy for the eyeshadow to blend on top of it. It looks pretty light on the pan, but you can build up the color and you can see the color showing onto my skin. Now this is Brick that I really love. I love the orangey tone like this. And now I'm applying and building up the color, which is dark brown. It's very pigmented, so I apply a little amount, then I add up more products. And also I add a little bit of Brick, so the transition is not too harsh. Now to give more definition, I'm using dark brown, and also because I like my smoky eyes, I like to give some dimension here onto the lower part of my eyes and outer corner. I apply a little amount and I am building up the colors. I'm adding a little bit of Brick at the same time, so the transition is not harsh between the shades together. And to soften the edges a little bit more, I'm using a clean blending brush like this. With Brick and dark brown and a pencil brush, I line my lower lash line like this. And I like to join the corners and to give a little bit of almond shape at the same time, even more than my regular eyes. And with off-white, I am applying the product onto the inner corner, always to give more light to the look. I feel always more awake when I have a highlighter here. And also I'm applying the product onto the brow bone. Now moving on to the pencil, I'm applying the pencil onto the waterline like this, to give more depth again and also to intensify the smoky look. And I'm using my eyeliner here on my top lid. The line is very thick, but when I open up my eyes, you can see just a fine line. And now moving on to the mascara. This is from Cosmetics, and I like to use this mascara at the moment because it really elongates my lashes. You can see my lashes are almost invisible, so it helps a lot to lengthen my lashes and to open up my eyes. Now with the copper, I'm applying a little bit more product onto the lower lash line this time, especially here into the center of the eye. So we are almost done, and you can stop here, but I'd like to play a little bit more with copper, which is this beautiful color, and I'm applying the product here onto the center of the lip. It gives more dimension to my eyes, and really this copper shade is so pretty. A little bit here onto the other eye, and this is a lip brush that I'm using because it's small, and for my small eyes it's perfect. And you want to clean up the edges like this with the pencil. Really like the pencil because they are very soft but not too much, and also super pigmented and very long lasting. So this is the final eye look, and we can move on to the lips now. And this is a limited edition amuse-bouche lipstick from Bite Beauty, and this is the shade Libra. For this look, I loved pairing this lipstick with the eye look because they match together and it gives a nice monochrome look. And also this warm brown is very comfortable, super pretty and perfect for fall. So this is the final look, and it was super easy to achieve. I hope you will enjoy, and see you very soon, and also join me on Instagram where I post every single day. See you soon!